Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, first one, let's go to Photoshop and let's make cartoon character. For example, I will use MrBeast image and select this image. Let's click unlock and let's Ctrl G for duplicate and select this layer. Let's hide. Select this layer and let's create new layer again and let's go to pen tool. Okay, let's zoom to here and let's make face like this. Okay, let's click selection tool and let's create new shape layer. Move to behind and go to brush tool. Go to change color to yellow and let's make fill inside color. Okay, so click selection tool and select these two layers. Let's Ctrl E for attach layers. Okay, let's change name here. So let's hide layer and create new layer and go to pen tool again. Let's make like this for hair. Okay, click selection tool and create new layer. Move to behind and go to brush tool. Change color black. Or let's select this color. Click OK. And let's make colors like this. Okay, let's click selection tool, again make someone, select these two layers, Ctrl E for attach layers, and change name here. Let's see. And let's go to filter. Let's open filter gallery and open artistic folder and let's use output or okay, let's use this effect and change some settings. And click OK. So right now let's hide all layers and let's zoom to here, select this icon and select these parts and let's Ctrl C, Ctrl V, delete original image, select this layer, change name shadow and enable all layers, select shadow, let's change overlay. Okay. So friends, back to After Effects and let's go to project, right mouse, import file, select this Beast Photoshop file, change import as here, composition with analyze size, click import, click OK, open composition and let's change composition settings, change full HD and select all layers, move to center and let's create new null object. Hold Ctrl, double click this icon for move anchor point center, click selection tool and move to center like this. Select all layers, let's link to null object, select null, press S, change scale. Okay, and let's create background, right mouse, new and solid layer, add name background, click OK, move to behind, go to effects preset, search effect fill. Let's use fill for background. Change color. Let's try use yellow or red. Okay. Let's use red. Click OK. And right now select this null. Let's delete and select this eyebrow. Let's link to head. Select here. Link to head. and select manis. Let's link to head, and select these eyes, link to head, and select this eyes layer. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate, select eyeball, move to inside two eye layers, and if you not see this part, click toggle switch mode and select eyeball. Let's change alpha matte eyes 2. Let's see. Okay, so select this eyeball, let's link to head, and select this beard and shadow. Let's link to head again, and this shadow link to head. Select head, and let's move the anchor point down. Clickation tool, and let's press R, make rotation keyframe. Go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut, you can use hold shift, press page down in keyboard, and change rotation 6. Go to here, make new rotation. Go to 10 keyframe, change -4. And select keyframes, so let's move right, and go to some keyframes, make new rotation, go to 10 keyframe, change 7. Go to here again, make new rotation, go to 10 keyframe, change 4 or change -4, and go to here, make new rotation, go to 10 keyframe, change 3. Select rotation keyframes, make easies, and let's move to right. Let's see. Okay, so go to here, and let's hold shift, press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to center. Let's move to down, go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste, and this keyframes for bones animation. Select 3 keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Nice. Select keyframes, Ctrl C, go to here, Ctrl V, and here Ctrl V. Okay, that's good. So select these eyes 2. Let's link two eyes layers. Select these eyes, press S, click scale this icon, and right now make scale keyframe. Let's zoom to here, go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change scale 5, go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change 100. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Nice. Select these scale keyframes, let's Ctrl C, go to here, Ctrl V, and here for random eye blink animation. Nice. So in this time, let's go to here, select this eyeball, press P, make new passing keyframe, go to 2 keyframe, let's move right. Select keyframes, move right, let's see. Nice, and here, make new passing keyframe, go to 2 keyframe, move to back here, select keyframes, move to here, let's see. Nice, and right now make new passing keyframe, go to 2 keyframe, let's move to left, like this, and select keyframes, move to here. Nice, and let's select these keyframes, move to here, and select here keyframes, move to center like this. Okay, so again make new passing keyframe, go to 2 keyframe, move to center, and select keyframes, move to here, and here keyframes, move to here. Let's move right all these keyframes, and this move to here. Make new eyeball animation, go to 2 keyframe, move right a little bit, and delete the last keyframes. So let's see. Okay, that's good. So right now I want to make lip sync animation. I will use already animations. Let's go to project and right mouse, import and file. Okay, I will use this video file, select and import, and move to inside our composition. Let's right mouse, time and time stretch, change 150, click OK, and let's move to here, press S, change scale, and let's link to here. Okay, let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's move to down a little bit. Okay, that's good. Let's Control D, move to right. Okay, so let's go to shape layers, hold this icon. Let's create ellipse tool and make one ellipse for shadow. Click Selection tool, change stroke width 0 and go to fill, select airdrop icon, select background color and change to dark. Click OK and let's hold Control, double click for move to anchor point center. Okay, let's move to down like this. Okay. So select these monies, let's go to solo and move the anchor point here. Click Selection tool and select money left, go to solo, move the anchor point here and click Selection tool, let's unsolo and in this time select two money layers, press R, make rotation keyframe. Let's go to some keyframes, change rotation like this and go to some keyframes. Change a little bit rotations, again go to some keyframes, change like this, select keyframes, make ease, let's see. Nice, select keyframes, hold alt move right. Nice, and select keyframes, let's Control C, go to here, Control V and here, Control V and here and here. Let's select keyframes, move to left a little bit, and these keyframes let's copy paste. Okay, let's see. Nice. So let's select this layer and select last keyframe, Control C, go to here, Control V for static animation. Also let's select like this and this, copy paste, and these keyframes and this. Let's animation again. Okay, nice. So friends, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.